Every chef knows that the right knife can make all the difference in the kitchen. In today's video, I'll be breaking down 5 essential knives every chef needs to master, what they are for, how to use them, and why they are game changer in your cooking skill. Let's slide into it. Number 1, chef knife. A chef knife is a versatile kitchen tool used for chopping, slicing, dicing, and mincing. It typically has a broad, sharp blade, 6 to 12 inches, with a curved edge for a rocky motion. Made from materials like stainless steel or carbon steel, it offers precision and control for various tasks. It's a must for every chef. Number 2, paring knife. A paring knife is a small, lightweight kitchen knife with a blade typically around 3 to 4 inches long. Designed for precision tasks. It is ideal for peeling fruit and vegetables, trimming fats, cutting small ingredients, creating garnishes, slicing, and detailed cutting work, such as deveining shrimps and hulling strawberry. It is a must-have for every chef's toolkit. Number 3, serrated knife. A serrated knife has a saw-like blade with teeth, perfect for cutting through food with tough exterior and soft interior, like bread, tomatoes, or cake. These teeth allow it to grip and slice without crushing. It is commonly used for slicing bread and baked goods, cutting tomatoes, fruits, and other delicate foods, slicing cake or soft foods without flattering them. Serrated knives are great for tasks that require a bit more grip and precision. Number 4, boning knife. A boning knife is a kitchen tool with a thin, sharp, and flexible blade designed for removing bones from meat, poultry, and fish. Its pointed tip allows for precise cutting around joints and bones, making it ideal for deboning chicken, beef, and pork, trimming fat, filleting fish with precision. Boning knives come in flexible, semi-flexible, and stiff variations, depending on the type of meat you are working with. The last one for today is utility knife. A utility knife is a versatile kitchen tool with a blade typically 4 to 7 inches long, making it ideal for tasks too small for a chef knife or too large for a paring knife. It's perfect for slicing fruits and vegetables, cutting sandwiches, trimming smaller cuts of meat. Its size and sharp edge make it a great all-purpose knife for everyday kitchen tasks. A good knife is every chef's best friend. Each of them has its purpose in making cooking easier and more efficient. Why not invest in quality knives, keep them sharp, and let them elevate your cooking skill in the kitchen? Are you ready to upgrade your tools? Share your favorite knife in the comments. If you love food content like this, stick around for more recipe, kitchen tips, and cooking hacks. Hit that follow button so you never miss out. I am Chef Nisi and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.